Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I am Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. So, in our previous class, we have completed till here, right? And today we are going to see what is given further in your textbook. So, let's see. There is a puzzle been given. So, let's see what puzzle is been given. Tamarind seeds. Sunita took some tamarind seeds. She made group of 5 with them and found that one seed was left over. She tried making groups of 6 and group of 4. Each time one seed was left over. What is the smallest number of the seed that Sunita had? Now see, there is a girl named Sunita who has some tamarind seeds. And what she was doing? She was trying to make a group of 5 with the seeds. But she found that one seed is left over. After that, she tried to making groups of 6 and 4 as well. But this time also one seed was left over. So what we have to see is which is the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had. Now in this, what we have to do, we have to find the LCM. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Till now we were finding the multiples. After that we understood that what is common multiple, and now we are going to see that what is least common multiple. Least common multiple means if we consider the common multiples among all those common multiple, which is the smallest one. So for that, what we have to do, in our previous question, that is in this one, we have find that the common multiple of 5, 4 and 6 is 60. So in that, what we have to do, we have to add 1. So 60 plus 1 will be 61. So therefore the smallest number of seeds that Sunita had is 61. She is having 61 seeds. So this will be your answer. Now let's see ahead. More tamarind seeds. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. Try to make more rectangles like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? If there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? Now see, in this picture you can see that Amin is trying to make different rectangles by using 12 tamarind. Now in this, what you have to do, you have to make different rectangle using 12 seeds. So this will be your homework as well. The next question, that is by using 15 tamarind seeds, you have to make rectangle as many as you can make. So this will be your homework. You have to solve this in your notebook. Now let's read ahead. Coloring the grid. In the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. The width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. What is its length? So you can see here in this grid, a rectangle is been drawn, that is of 20 boxes. Let's count whether 20 boxes are there or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes, there are 20 boxes. Now next, what is given? It is given that the width of the rectangle is 2 boxes. Let's count 1 and 2. Yes, there are 2 boxes. Now what we have to do? We have to find the length of the rectangle. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what you will write in a notebook, you will write that by observing the rectangle colored in the grid, we can say that the length of the rectangle is 10 boxes. Now let's move ahead. That's question number 2. Color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. Now, in this question, what you have to do, you have to color 20 boxes and make rectangles in another way. Suppose if I choose this box is suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Suppose I make box like this. Suppose for width I have selected 4 boxes and for length I have selected 5 boxes. So if you will count this boxes, it will become 20. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Yes, there are 20 boxes. So similarly, you have to make other boxes too. Now let's see ahead what is given. What is the length and width of the rectangle you colored? Now, after coloring the rectangle or by making the rectangle, then you have to find the length of and width. So let's count for this rectangle. So what is the width? Let's count 1 2 3 and 4. So the width of the rectangle is 4 boxes. For length 1 2 3 4 and 5. So for length it is 5 boxes. Let's see ahead. In how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? Color them all in the grid and write the length and width of each rectangles you have colored. Now, the way which I have drawn the rectangle by using 20 boxes, similarly you have to try as many as rectangles that you can make. And after that, you have to find the length and width by counting the boxes. So this will be your homework. So for today, this much only. And in our next class, we are going to see further what is given in our textbook. So thank you so much.